What's going on today, guys? Welcome to the Daily Bread, where we get this bread daily. Wow, that was cringy. Anyway, beside the fact, I wanna give you guys something today, just to kind of get your day started. Or I mean, I guess it's like 8 o'clock when you see these videos, but it's 7:15 for me. Don't let a bad yesterday ruin today. And I'm not saying that because I had a bad day yesterday, but you just got little things that go on throughout the day that you tend to bring in your mind into the next day. Like, today's a new day. You'll never experience today again. Don't ruin today thinking about something that happened yesterday, especially if it's done and over with. It'll never come up again. Little stupid stuff that people say, like just all that stuff. Forget that stuff. I just wanted to touch on that real quick because we wake up some days and it's hard to get up and get going and get stuff done some days. So keep your head on straight. Don't focus on yesterday. Wake up today. Let's get this bread. Let's get the day started. Daily vlog, Daily Bread number 13. Lucky number 13.
Y'all think the Tahoe needs those wheels right there? I feel like that look pretty good.
The popcorn is popping. Daily pop. Ooh.
What's poppin'?
I actually had somebody comment and say, so glad y'all got the popcorn machine fixed.
Really?
Yeah.
Me too.
That was good. Comment of the day, Blue Flame Denali 05. Done as always. He was entering the giveaway, but his comment says, rock a handlebar mustache and be a distinguished gentleman.
Do it, boy, do it.
I don't think I could grow that, even though it'd be really funny. But that's comment of the day. Huge shout out to Blue Flame Denali for watching the videos. Make sure y'all comment on today's video so I can give you a shout out tomorrow if you have a good comment. We like the funny ones, so try and be funny with us.
Handlebars.
Let's see what we got today. We got the F350, F350, 350. Says it on the side. I'm an idiot. With the dually F350 that we got in here, all white with the custom American Force painted wheels. It ain't too bad. It's a Ford, but it ain't bad. I like it.
Some bitch popping down. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at it.
Bean got us all croissants today. Huge shout out to Bean. Y'all go follow Bean on Instagram. Apparently Wendy's has a good breakfast.
I did not get egg on mine. They ran out when I went.
Oh man.
That maple chicken thing?
That's what Bean got, isn't it?
Yeah, the maple chicken thing was good? Okay, I want to try that then.
Burger King, wow. Let me put you guys on some game right now. If y'all have not had chicken wings from a Mexican place, you are not living life right.
Best chicken wings in Marietta, hands down.
Really?
Hands down. Monterey's Mexican restaurant on Atlanta Road. Get you some.
You both got medium
Well, we get hot, man.
or hot?
You know how we are.
only have one flavor.
Yeah,
That shit looks good.
it's absolutely delicious.
I have had them before. Yes, I've had them before. I get the mild because I gotta, I'm a little baby, but
You're just not hot.
that shit's good. All right, here's the plan today. I'm sure you guys can tell by the thumbnail. We're doing something with some vinyl wrap today, but I haven't decided what part of the truck we're gonna do yet. Lance, what part of the truck should we do? Should we try and do the tailgate? Or should I try and do a fender, or should I just put a piece of it just down the side of the truck? Just cuz. What do you?
We should put it up for a vote, what people think.
Well, they can't vote right now.
Right, they can when the video comes out, and then tomorrow we put it on them. But you're the guy with the channel, so.
I want to put something on today.
All right,
So
let's do the tailgate.
tailgate it is. All right, we're gonna wrap the tailgate today. We've got so long story short, Lance, even though it looks great, it's on the other side. It's got that red and black digital camo. He put some of it on his truck yesterday. Long story short, he's not gonna end up using it, and he's donating it to the channel. So we're gonna wrap the tailgate of the truck today.
Blow it.
No. We are not professional. So we've got two little pieces of the wrap put on, and obviously this is not turning out anywhere like I thought that it would. He just had some, I don't know. Honestly, it looks way better on his truck than it does on mine. I guess he took it off. Oh, wow. I didn't know he took it off. I mean, I definitely want to get the truck wrapped at some point, but I really don't think this is the design that I would go with. We're just kind of, goofing off, just throwing it on there, just see what it would look like. But I really don't think that I mean, I think wrapping it like an all red color would be really cool, but what do you guys think though? I still think some kind of red color is the way to go, but I don't think this is not what we should do. I forgot that Jake had tried to, or Jake did the white walls like I did, and it actually, the only thing about yours, they have the little lines in there. If you could get in between the lines, I think it would look pretty good. But we're gonna find out today whether or not brake cleaner is gonna get the chalk off of these. Comes right off. Just in case any of you guys at home were wondering, brake cleaner gets the chalk off of your tires, and the curb at Little Caesars also gets the chalk right off of your tires. What are those? So the wrap didn't turn out that great. That's fine. You know, I'm gonna get a professional to do it at some point, you know, later on down the road. And it'll look great. We'll get a great color. It'll all be great. The truck will get wrapped that color. The Tahoe will get wrapped that color. It'll all be great. So don't stress. We were just having a little fun with some extra vinyl today. I've noticed in my analytics that there's like 70% of you that watch that aren't subscribed. So it would mean a lot to me if you guys could just go and, you know, hit that little subscribe button. Just, you know, give it a little boop just right there. That's it. That's all I ask. And, you know, maybe leave a like on the video. But if you guys want to get entered to win the custom Bread Gang hat and the 2 jam handles, all you have to do is what I just told you, literally. If you want to win 2 of the black jam handles and hold on, and the custom Bread Gang hat, all you have to do, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, and comment down below. That's all you gotta do. It's super easy. I don't know why you haven't done it yet. Enter the giveaway, and you could win. Look. Hi. Hello. Hello. Tell them to subscribe, Zoe. Wow. Thanks. Tell them to subscribe. You too? Wow. Okay. Such great support I got back there. See? You see? Tell them. That's all you got to do. Enter the giveaway. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.